Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the install feature with your Simplebooklet. First thing is to log onto your account, and then once you're in the dashboard, to locate the document you want to work on. And once you have that, go ahead and click Design, which is represented at the Painter's palette at the bottom here. And then from there, you're going to go to Engage, which is this bullseye icon on the left-hand menu. And you're going to go to the Install button. And then this is where you can go to toggle it on and off. Now, the install is different than the download button because the install will actually install your Simplebooklet as an app on the phone or the device of the person, the reader, so they can find that document very quickly and they don't have to go into the download browser. They can just click that and it'll take them right to their open the Simplebooklet. So from here you have a few choices on whether or not you want to use the default logo, the cover image, or your own logo for the icon. I'm just going to use the default logo for now, and I'll show you what that means. Let's go into preview. And then from there, you head over to this over here. See this computer and phone icon? And this is the install button. So when your readers click this, it will download it right to their home screen, link it up right to their home screen. And then it's similar in the mobile view as well. Again, this is the install button here. And same thing for the tablet. So this can be really handy, especially if you are needing people to access the document really quickly, or if they need to revisit it multiple times. This can be a really handy feature for them to have, and it can just make things a little easier and simpler for your readers. Okay, thanks very much.